Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that while you were asleep, you made money. No boss, no deadlines, just income rolling in 24/7. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's very real for thousands of people running e-commerce businesses right now. And the crazy part? Most of them started with zero experience. But hey, if you'd rather keep making someone else rich at your 9 to 5, go ahead and click off. E-commerce isn't the future, it's the now. In the last 5 years, online sales have exploded, and businesses that ignored it, well, they don't exist anymore. The real question is, are you going to be the person who profits from this trend, or the one who regrets not starting sooner? The process, 6 steps to build your e-commerce empire. All right, let's break this down into 6 simple, actionable steps. No fluff, just what actually works. Step 1, pick a profitable niche. The biggest mistake beginners make? Selling everything to everyone. That's a recipe for failure. Instead, focus on one profitable niche. Here's how. Find a trending but evergreen product. Think fitness, skincare, home automation. Look for pain points. What problems are people desperate to solve? Check demand using free tools like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers. But picking a niche is just the beginning. The real challenge? Finding products that sell without wasting money on inventory. And that brings us to Step 2, choose your business model. Do you want to hold inventory or not? That's the big question. Let's quickly break down your options. Drop shipping. No inventory, no upfront costs, but lower profit margins. Print on demand, custom designs, great for branding, but requires marketing. Wholesale or private label. Higher investment, but bigger long-term profits. Pro tip, if you're just starting, go with drop shipping or print on demand to minimize risk. All right, you've picked a niche and business model, but what's next? Well, none of that matters if you don't choose the right platform. Step 3, choose the right platform. Ever wonder why some businesses boom while others flop? It's often because they chose the wrong platform. Shopify, best for beginners, easy setup, tons of apps. Amazon FBA, built-in traffic but high competition. Etsy/WooCommerce, best for custom or handmade products. And before you say, but I don't have tech skills, relax. If you can send an email, you can build an online store. But even the best store is useless if no one sees it. So how do you actually get sales? Let's talk marketing. Step 4, drive traffic and get sales. No traffic, no sales. It's that simple. Here's how to bring in paying customers fast. Organic strategies, free. TikTok and Instagram Reels. Short viral videos work best. SEO and blogging. Write helpful content to rank on Google. Paid strategies, fastest way to scale. Facebook and TikTok ads. Test small, scale winners. Influencer marketing. Partner with niche influencers. But here's the thing. If you don't price your products right, you won't make a dime. Let's fix that. Step 5, price your products for profit. Want to know why 90% of new e-commerce stores fail? They either underprice and make no profit or overprice and scare customers away. Use the 3X rule. If a product costs you $10, sell it for $30. Psychological pricing, $29.99 sounds way cheaper than $30. Free plus shipping strategy. Offer a free product, charge for shipping. All right, you're all set up. But the biggest mistake? Not automating your business. Let's fix that now. Step 6, automate and scale for passive income. The goal isn't to work in your business forever, it's to automate it. Use AI chatbots for customer service. Hire a VA, virtual assistant, to handle daily tasks. Set up email and SMS marketing to keep customers returning. Remember, freedom isn't about working more, it's about working smarter. Act 3, the payoff, your next steps. So let's recap. You now have the full roadmap to start your e-commerce business. Pick a profitable niche. Choose the right business model. Set up your store. Drive traffic and get sales. Price your products smartly. Automate and scale. The only difference between those who succeed and those who don't, taking action. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. And if you want to learn the next step, how to scale your store to $10,000 a month, watch this video right here. Point to next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.